So guys, it is this time of night in my household, the best time to clean. So where are we gonna clean today? Our microwave. So stay tuned. Welcome to Biology. This collaboration is hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. At Denise's home, she talks about cooking and cleaning and being a mom. So if you have not visited Denise, please look down in the description, click, and please do visit her. Welcome back to Viology. Today we are talking about microwaves and how to clean them under 7 minutes. So for the purpose of this video, I told my family do not clean the microwave. So they have been using our microwave for 1 week and I'm very OCD, so it's been driving me crazy. So guys, please do not leave it in the comment. This is 1 week with everyone using a microwave and I asked them not to use it. So what I'm going to do first is show you the quick, easy things inside your house that you can use to clean your microwave in a snap.